Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host Mark, and welcome to your subscriber's choice video where you get to choose what this nose smells. So if you're new here, the rules are basically I show you 5 fragrances, 4 return, obviously because 1 won, and we have 1 newbie to the list, so 5 choices in total. And what you do is you vote down below. You have a YouTube channel, 1 comment per YouTube channel, and you just comment with the name of the fragrance that you want me to review. That's it. I tally them up. Within 48 hours, I close shop and I start tallying them up and I start working on the fragrance that has the most votes. It's that easy. So let's get into the nominees. We already know, especially if you're coming here every week, we already know who's in the 4, but who is the 5th? If you're looking at the thumbnail, you probably already know. So let's go. We lost a Y from YSL, so I am working on the fragrance that is Y Le Parfum. But we still have Y EDP Intense here, 2023 release. Beside that, we have another light blue that has been with it since day 1 that I've been doing this. This is light blue summer vibes from Dolce & Gabbana. We actually have a few light blues. I only own the light blue eau de toilette, and that's it. And I bought a whole bunch of light blue samples, so I kind of have to go through them. No rush, you don't have to pick that one, but yeah. Next we have light blue sun put that one was actually quite popular in the last video. Next is Code Colonia from Giorgio Armani, again another freshie I believe. And then lastly the noob is another light blue, so we got 3 in here. The odds are pretty good for light blue, but we'll see if it wins. This one is light blue Eau Intense, the intense version, so the really popular one. I've never smelt it. Yeah, I swear I haven't. I've seen testers. I've never had the inkling of actually spraying the tester. I was actually not really interested in light blue anything until just recently. I'm just like, you know what? I'm gonna buy a bunch of these flankers, a bunch of these samples, and kind of delve into this line. So there you go. You got your 5 choices. You do the work. Comment below, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.